Hi, I'm Andrew Beach, Executive Career Coach. I help professionals communicate their value to find great new jobs faster. Today, I'm going to share with you a couple of ideas, a couple of things that you can think about doing that are going to help you manage your job search or any kind of marketing activity outside of a CRM. Now, customer relationship management software can be really expensive. And if you're on a budget or maybe you're a job seeker and you don't have any income, investing in those kind of systems is just not a good idea. What I would suggest, though, is taking advantage of free tools that are available to you, specifically Google Docs. Google Docs is a free program that's available to you that you can use to create nested CRM-like systems through embedded linking. So what do I mean by that? I'm going to share with you inside Google Drive here. You can see that I'm there, but I have a Google Sheet up. So if you're looking to perform a job search, you can put together a simple sheet that has the company, hiring manager, phone numbers, the contact information of the people you're interested in. Now, yes, you could do this inside of a Outlook or email or some other system, but I found that this is a good way to do it outside of that kind of platform so that you can get better results. Let me demonstrate to you how this works. Let's say that I'm interested in working at a company, Target Inc., right? And I found out that the hiring manager is John Jones. And his number is 800-555-1212, John J at target.com. And now I have some things that will help me track when I contacted him or when I didn't. Okay, so this is what we would call a spreadsheet that monitors your top of funnel activity. Once I connect with John, I can then put in last contacted date and who I was referred by, if anybody. And let's say in that case I was referred by Davidson. Okay, and then next actions and notes, etc. Okay, now once I start developing a relationship with John, I can then come over to my Google Drive, create a new document, and I'm going to title that document John Jones. Okay, and now I can say, I can keep my John Jones information in here, ... and anything related to John Jones would be in here. Okay, now the cool part about Google Docs is that each of these documents has a very unique URL. So I would suggest copying that URL, coming back to my target company list, and now I can put a hyperlink, and I think the hotkey is Control K. So most any computer program that you're interested in embedding a link, Control K will do it for you. So I'm going to apply, and now you can see I have an active hyperlink for John Jones that will take me directly to the Google Doc that has all my notes, my last contacts, my next actions. Anything related to John Jones would be in that Google Doc. Okay, and you can see that I'm editing my own document. Okay, now the same is true for companies. See, now you can see how this becomes really powerful, is I can now have a Google Doc, and maybe you just keep in your spreadsheet the top 10, top 20, top 30 people in your job search. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and call this one Target Inc. Okay, and then I could have John Jones, right? Davidson, Jerry Smith, Jenny Price, and so I have all these names in here. And so since I have John Jones in here too, I will go ahead and put that link in here so that we now have John Jones not only in the spreadsheet, but he's cross-connected here inside the Google Doc. Okay, so that's how you would nest it and keep track of things. See, this is a very effective way in a mind map sort of philosophy to keep track of all your activities related to your job search. So I found this very useful and very effective in creating a customer relationship management system for my job search. So hope you found that useful. Always looking for ways to share, learn, and contribute to your success. Happy networking.